Hi guys, welcome to my channel Writing Inspiration Portal. I am your host Manuel Colasso, and today we are doing the unboxing of Orient Electric Fabrijoy Dry Iron. It is as you can see right now, it is 1000 watts and it has got 2 years warranty. This is the model number DIFJ10BP. It has got German sole plate, G-shaped heating element, and 360 degrees swivel cord, which is braided, cotton braided, and these are all the features. If you wanna take a look at it, you can pause the video and check it out, guys. Also, this is how I received the box packaging. Now, as you can see, we have opened the box and we find so as you can see right now, guys, in the box we have a neatly plastic packed iron on in which its electric cord is also wrapped in plastic, and this is how the whole iron looks like. It has got its own thermostat for temperature management, and also there is this non-stick coated sole plate. As you can see in the bottom, there's also a sticker on the plate, as you can see. Also, this is the thermostat in which you can select the fabric you are ironing, and depending on the thermostat you can set the temperature as you would like to do the ironing as well, guys. Also, guys, in the box we receive a manual come warranty card. So this is how the manual looks like, and on that there are different types of iron models mentioned. If you do want to take a look at this manual, you can pause the video and take a look at it, guys. So this is front and this is how the back looks like. There's a left side, there's also a warranty card. So this is how this is what I received in the whole box packing. So guys, if you do like my unboxing video, do like, share, subscribe and comment and follow for more such videos, guys. Thank you for watching.